Now let's see the examples we use to illustrate. Say this sound, I will say this is supposed to be pronounced think, but some people will say think. For example, I think he will come. I think he will come. Now you understand that even though it is wrongly articulated, you understand what the person is saying. Because you understand what the person is saying, then you know that since he substituted T in place of this, then it means that it is a voiceless one. If he has substituted D, for example, I think he will do it. For example, it will be meaningless. And so, if you can use this substitution method to know whether a particular word has the voiceless or the voiced one. Now let's take an example for the voice. Then he came. Some will articulate wrongly by saying then he came and substitute D in place of this. But then you will know that you will understand what the person is saying. Then he came. You understand the word he was trying to use. But if you substitute T, for example, for then, and you have 10, he came, it's meaningless. You'll be confused. And because of that substitution possibility, you can assume that yes, it is this sound. So if you use that substitution method, you will know when the TH is this or the TH is this. I hope I've been able to make that clear to you. Now, so you should be able to know the difference between the voiceless and the voiced of this, the voiced form of the sound. Okay, so we are going to note something else still, and that is note 3. Note 3. What are we noting here? That sometimes the words, same word, depending on whether it's a noun or a verb, will change the sound from the voiceless to the voiced or from the voiced to the voiceless. What do I mean by that? Let's look at the word. Let's write the symbol. We'll have this. We'll have this. Now, bath is voiceless. TH there is voiceless. But that is a noun. Well, let's have this. Bathe. This is a verb. And it has changed. So we'll have bath and we'll have bathe. Okay, so the voiceless one here changes to voice when it becomes verb. Of course, the vowel here also changes to another one. Then we have more example. We have breath. This is a noun. Breath is a noun. When it becomes the verb, it will be voiced. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, so we can have another example, and that is cloth. That is a noun, and clothes. That is a verb. So you can see the pattern. You want to note that when this is moving, when you have a noun, it's voiceless, it's a verb, it's voiced. So that is note 3. Now note 4. Note 4. Look at this word. These words are wealthy, not worthy. Worthy, not worthy. The same thing here. Healthy, not healthy. You want to take note of. Most people pronounce this wrongly by pronouncing worthy and healthy, but they should be worthy and healthy. So with this, we have fully examined these two consonants, the dental fricatives.